Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Betron XR-77 Bluetooth speaker. Taking a look at the box, you can see that it has minimal writing on the front, and on the back you will find some specifications listed, which state that it has Bluetooth version 2.1, which is actually very outdated to today's standard, which is usually 4.0 upwards, a total speaker output of 10 watts, a 50mm driver unit, and a frequency response of 75Hz to 20kHz. It has a 2500 mAh battery, a charging time of around 3 hours, which is pretty long, but it also has a working time of around 5, which is acceptable. Taking off the sleeve, you will find a brown box which holds the speaker on the top, and taking out the holder you will find the other accessories, including a micro USB cable to charge it, an aux cable, a registration slip, and a manual. The micro USB is standard and will work with any other micro USB device, and the aux cable is also standard and will work with any device that has an audio jack. The registration card is also there to provide some more insight on customer service and warranty. The manual inside contains the same specifications listed on the outside of the box and a few extra ones that might be of interest. It also has some instructions on how to use it properly and to its full potential. Taking a look at the speaker itself, the most prominent thing is the grill, which is of very nice quality metal. Then you also have the baseboard in the middle. Underneath there is rubber padding so it won't slip around as much, and also to not vibrate on the table surface. And on the back you will see that it is glossy plastic, which is not a favorite of mine since it does show smudges and fingerprints very easily, but fortunately that won't be seen much since it is on the back side. You will also find the power button, touch sensitive volume buttons, the micro USB port, and the 3.5mm jack. I do not know why they chose to make the power button pressable while opting to use touch sensitive buttons for the volume, but either way they all work great. Turning on the speaker gives you a little chime which indicates that it is turned on. And then you can easily connect to it through your phone. Listening to music is great on the speaker as it has a good amount of bass while also delivering great sound in the treble department and mids department. Using the volume buttons on the back works flawlessly and indicates once you reach full volume too. It also has a little chime when it turns off. Something that I did notice while testing is that there is a constant hiss in the background, which is very subtle, and it unfortunately can be heard at low volumes. This might be a bit annoying to some, but considering the price, which does fluctuate a lot on Amazon, you should pick this up. The hiss probably has to do with the outdated Bluetooth version, which is 2.1. I have found it selling for around £17 as it is currently, and at other times it was also selling at £40. I would definitely recommend this at £17 as it has superior quality to anything else at that price range, but at £40 it can be a bit of a stretch, although I would still recommend it for the quality. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.